everybody, it's Kathy from Create with Kate. Today I have an Abraham Lincoln themed journal. It's another one that was commissioned for Christmas present. This measures 9 by 6, has a 2 1/4 inch spine. I just got it closed with the little clips in the chain, and on the chain I have a little penny with a dangle on the bottom of it. This was a little bit challenging to figure out how to do, but I got it. I got it finally. So I've got a 1.5 inch black ribbon for the hat band, and then there's a photo of Abraham Lincoln here. Just a little information before we get started. I'm using this project planner page, and this really helped out a lot. I have all my things listed that I wanted to do, my crude drawings and sketches of how I wanted things to work out. So this one has a accordion style book pocket in the front, and I will tell you more about that when we get to it. It's got 2 signatures, and there's 76 total pages front and back all the way through, plus a file folder. So let's get into Mr. Lincoln. So on the front cover, I've made this little accordion pocket, and what is in here is a book. Now, I fully intended to use this book to put into this journal. However, seriously, I couldn't do it. So, he's getting the book too, but it's got a lot of quotes and things, and there are quite a few photos in here as well. So, that's a little extra he's going to be getting. So I just did that there. Everything I got, all the photos I got were from the Library of Congress, which is royalty free. And all the information I got was just Google, good old Google. So here's my file folder. I've got a photo of Mr. Lincoln in here on the front. Got a little bit of cheesecloth underneath that. Here is his signature. I used Patty Pockets stains. This was white card, and I went over that, and then I put a napkin from Wendy's, or one of those brown napkins, over top and decoupaged that on there. So there's that. In here, I've got his, basic statistics. Here, there's 2 pages of these, so that one goes in there. And then on this side is more like a little brief synopsis of his life here. And I've got another photo of him over here on this pocket. Here's our first signature. This is for a gentleman, so I didn't do the dangly tabs on it like I normally do. I might put them back on there, but I don't know. So here, this is a cabinet card that I used, or that I made up for him. And there's the photo that's inside, and that just clips on this page. I've got some stenciling in here. This was a book I had. It was like from, I don't know, early times up to the 19th century. But it's got a lot of stuff in here. It's got literature, and it's got events that happened, and it tells, and one of the things in here is his assassination. It's on one of these book pages. So I made a little corner pocket here. I used some of that cork ribbon, a little burlap, and a button. I have a picture. There he is with his family, and there he is with his log cabin where he was born. And I got some music paper. Got a photo of Mrs. Lincoln here. And another photo of Mr. Got a little pocket down here. And just got a little picture of him down there as well. There's some more of that book page. I did a little bit of script stamping here and there. I have a photo of him here in a little pocket. And I've got a map in here. This has a photo of his home and a couple more photos of him. This is Illinois. Springfield is right. I picked it right out the other day. Now I can't see it. Anyway, it's right in there. So there we go with those. This is 10 facts about Abraham Lincoln. So these are kind of neat little things that's in there. There's 3 pages of those. It's really quite cool. Got some more stenciling there on some coffee dyed paper. Rest of that book page. Got a pocket here. Got a picture of him seated and Honest Old Abe. Music paper, book paper, some stenciling. Here's a picture of him and his son Tad. And now we're going to the second signature. Just got a little bit of stenciling, stamp, some more stenciling, more information from that book. Got another pocket here. And we got a picture of him and a picture at Abraham Lincoln's last reception. Some more music paper, some more stenciling. Another photo here in this pocket. Another photo of Mrs. Lincoln here. More of the book page. Oh my gosh, I have something in this pocket. Well, I got plenty, so I can put some in. I got some more photos of him here. Another map page. Some coffee dyed paper. More of the book. Another pocket. This is just a number that I did with embossing powder, and this is just a little scrap of leather that I cut to put behind that. And here we have a poem about the death of President Lincoln. Over here we have a thing that's the life and death of Abraham Lincoln, and he was called the Martyr President. I just have that clipped on. Music paper, coffee dyed, book paper, some more stenciling, and here we have some interesting photos. This was a hearse that he was in. This is a train that carried his body back to Illinois, and there's his tomb. Never saw pictures of those before. Here we have, on the last page, got a monument to him. And this is a photo, and I'm not sure if you're going to be able to pick it up in the camera or not, but there's like a ghost of Abraham Lincoln with his hands on Mary's shoulders. And that just clips on there. Got my library card on the back. And then we just close it up and give it a little clip. And it's all finished. But I did find this really handy, this project planner here. I used that. All the things I got off the internet I have attached to this, and then I just keep those so I have them for reference in case I should need them again. Anyway, thanks for stopping by. I hope everybody's doing well. And I hope you liked my video. If you did, maybe click subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And I will see you next time. Bye.